Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Syed and today I will show you how to get and install the free video editing software Filmora. So before proceeding, I would request each and every one of you to subscribe my channel. Now let's start. First of all, you need to open a browser and type getintopc.com. Once you enter the getintopc.com, it will open you this website, and here in the search bar we will search this Filmora software. After clicking go, it gave me this result, so we will download this one. But before downloading, keep one thing in mind, that you should note this password. This password is actually for unzipping the file, which will be in zip or zip format. So once you download and want to unzip that file, so it will ask you for the password. So download the file by clicking the download button. Download will start in a few seconds. Now the download has been started. It will take a little while to download the software, so we will wait for the download to complete. Now as you can see, this file has been downloaded. Now first you have to unzip this one. Just extract here, enter that password which you have noted earlier, and click OK. So it will unzip this file. When raw file, it will unzip this one. So now just open this one and run this application. Once run as administrator, right click on the that application and click run as administrator. Select yes, and it will start the installation process. From here you can select your language, whichever language you want to. So I will go with English and select OK. After selecting OK, it will give you the window for the installation. So you just have to follow that instruction. Like there will be different OK and yes buttons, so you have to do that. But here actually it has already detected one such software which I already installed on my PC, so I will not install it again. So I will click no, but you people should go with yes button. Okay, so click yes. It will not be yes for you if you people have not installed it previously. So just go with the one which you want. Like if you want to install, so you should go for yes or OK button. Okay, once the software has installed, so there will be a launch button. You should not click the launch button. Instead you should close and restart your PC. After the restart, you should come to that same folder which you have unzipped, and copy these three files from here. You will copy this file and then click on this PC, C drive, then go to program files and share, and here search for Wondershare. Once you searched and find the Wondershare, just click on that and then click on this Wondershare Filmora, and here you just need to paste those three DLL file here. So click on replace the files in the destination. You will click this one, and it will replace all the files which you have copied from there to this port. And after that you can use the and if you will edit any video, it will not show any watermark, any such thing which you generally see in the paid softwares if you are using it for free. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching the video.